Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'll be starting a system design course, or end-to-end course, starting from a very basic explanation of what are the different type of services. So as you can see on the image that I have uploaded here, there are different types of softwares like Elastic Beanstalk, Google App Engine, AWS, Azure, Slack, and Gmail. So we are going to understand this in depth, and let's proceed further. So let's compare what is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service, and how they are different from the traditional IT service. So I would like to explain the difference with the help of few elements. So let's consider a traditional IT infrastructure, or let's say a business, a traditional IT business. So for an organization who has a traditional IT, has the applications, the different set of applications, the data they manage, the runtime of the applications, middleware, the operating system, the virtualization that they have, different type of servers, storage solutions, and networking. Everything is on premise, or we call it as in simple words as in-house. So that's how a traditional IT system is built. Everything is on house and on premise. So now, what is infrastructure as a service and how it is different from the traditional IT? So as you can see, an organization needs to only manage applications, different type of data, the runtime of the applications, middleware on their own. And a third party comes into the picture, and they manage a business OS or operating system, virtualizations, different servers, storage solutions, and networking. So 50% of the elements are handled by the third party provider, and 50% of the elements are handled by an organization in house. So this was the infrastructure as a service. Now, what is platform as a service? So as you can see, there are only two elements, which are applications and data, needs to be handled by the organization. Rest of the elements are completely managed by a party provider. So let me take an example here. So let's say I want to design and build a movie streaming application using React and Node.js, and I want someone to handle my runtime and virtualizations and deployment over the cloud. So I will choose a platform as a service such as AWS Elastic Beanstalk. So I'll just create, build the movie streaming application, and I'll just directly deploy it on the Elastic Beanstalk. So my application is completely managed by the AWS, Amazon Web Services. So that is what platform as a service is. Now, coming to software as a service, SaaS, everything is managed by the third party provider, including your applications, data, runtime, middleware, OS, virtualization, storage solutions, servers, and networking. If you want to send a message to a person, so you use Gmail to send emails or messages. So here the Gmail comes into the picture, which is a complete software as a solution, software as a service. Let me take another example, such as Slack. So nowadays, many of the businesses are communicating over the Slack. It's a software as a service. Everything is managed by the third party provider. So that was a very uh, very comprehensive difference between what is a traditional IT is, and how the infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service are different from the traditional IT. Now, moving forward to different examples of the platform, as you can see, for platform as a service, I already mentioned that AWS Elastic Beanstalk is is the way forward if you want to deploy any applications. Google App Engine and Adobe Commerce are also the example of PaaS. Gmail, Slack, Microsoft Office 365 is a software as a service. Everything is everything here is managed end to end by the provider. Infrastructure as a service are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Compute Engine. So organization needs to manage 50% of their elements, and Amazon Web Services, Azure, and Google Cloud will handle the rest. So that was different types of examples of the different type of platforms. And if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and please do subscribe to